Hey everyone! In this video, I will be taking you through a 15-minute full body warm-up. I must admit, I've been snacking and binge watching my favorite shows just as much as anyone else, but it's important to remember to take care of your bodies. Just 15 minutes a day can go a long way, so clear some floor and grab some water and let's get moving. Let's start with some cardio. I'm going to break this down for you. First, you want to place your hands at a 90-degree angle from the bottom of your rib cage. You're going to do 8 high knees, bringing your knees to your hands. Try not to move your hands down to your knees during this exercise. We'll do 8 sets of these while taking quarter turns around the room and then back again. Then stop. After your 8 sets of high knees, you're going to go straight into some jumping jacks, 4 sets. Then going around, once again, quarter turns, all the way to the front, and then back again. From there, you're going to take a nice deep breath in, and exhale as you push down. All right, you ready to go? I'm feeling this, so you ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumping jacks start. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter turn and 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter turn, 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter turn and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So good. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in. Exhale. This time you breathe in. On the exhale, roll down through the spine, touching your toes, relaxing there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll up. Very good. Make sure you're breathing. I'm going to take one more. Big breath to the side. I'm going to turn so that you can see what I'm doing next. We're going to jump to our lunges. So my leg's going to shoot back. Make sure you have a 90-degree angle between your knee and your ankle of the working leg next to your chest. And you're just going to hold it. 16 counts, okay? Reach up. Trying to make your shoulder blades as flat as possible. Circle the hand to the back as you straighten your legs, trying to adjust your chest to that leg, close enough to that leg as much as possible.
Your favorite producer.
Back down to your lunge. Make sure you're breathing. This time you want to take an extended stretch. This isn't for everyone, but you can grab those little elbows down to the ground and make sure you're breathing. Back to your lunge. Hold it there. That extra stretch. Straighten that leg and then pull it back in. You're going to roll up through your spine. Take one deep breath in. Exhale by pushing down and rolling back down through the spine. 4 counts. Other leg shifts back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straighten legs. 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep breathing. Keep going. 5, 6. Back to your lunge and down. 2 extended stretch. Like I said before, you can keep this basic with your hands down. Very good. Back to your lunge. Straighten those legs. Back leg comes in. Roll up through the spine and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a deep breath and exhale. From here, we're going to jump into our plank and hold for 30 seconds. You got this. Make sure you're breathing. Almost there. Very good. And we're going to take a downward facing dog to stretch those hammies out. Hold that there. Press, press, press back into those back of those heels. Shooting all your energy down to the floor. Go back into your plank. This time you're going to go down to your elbows and you're going to rock side to side 16 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Rest. Take a child's pose and hold. Very good. You should be relaxed now. Let's get ready for a deep stretch. I would suggest putting your back up against a wall for this. So you're going to take a nice deep breath in for 4 counts. And then on the exhale for 4 counts, you're going to lay over top of your legs, roll up for 4 counts, and then straighten your back up against that wall for another 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the inhale. Exhale to come down. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Straighten 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna take it to the side just so you can see my body. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll through the spine and straighten 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good job. Let's open up our hips a little bit. I am a little bit more flexible than most, but the butterfly position is the perfect position to just kind of hang out in front of the TV and, snack on some things. So when commercials happen, you put your nose on your toes. You want to make sure you do not reach for your toes during this, and you actually hold on to your 2 ankles. And you can also use your elbows to push down on your knees if you want to open up your hips a little bit easier and faster. All right, we're going to take a deep breath in, 4 counts. Lay over those legs and then pull them back into butterfly. Very good. Checking in with your posture, checking with your body. Now let's take this left leg out with our arm at the same time. Right arm to reach and reach over to a lateral stretch over your left leg. Very good. This time I'm going to flip and put my nose on my knee. I'm going to roll up through the spine, taking my leg with me, back to meet the center. Let's do it on the other side. And reach. And flip. Rolling up with the leg and meeting it back to butterfly. Very good. Flap those wings a little bit. And let's open up both those legs. Open up both those arms at the same time. I'm going to adjust. And we're going to reach all the way over. Do that lateral stretch one more time. Try to have your shoulder blades actually flat. And twist. Put your nose on through the spine and back to center. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and flip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll up through the spine and back to center. Now watch me. We're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back up. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back up. Very good. Let's do it one more time and then lay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, stay and lay. Very good. Now, if you can't lay down like this, you want to get your elbows ready and set those on the ground. That will really help you actually prep and get ready for laying down flat on the ground. This is an awesome position to also just kind of hang out, watch TV, play board games, whatever you're doing. So I'm going to hang out here for a little while. Nice. Cool. You can close those legs slowly, shake them up against the floor. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me a little bit better. We're going to do some reverse push-ups and work out those tricep muscles. It's super important to be strong everywhere, not just in the front, but also in the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your fingertips facing your toes and your elbows facing the back. You're going to have your feet in a parallel position, hip width apart. And you're going to lift your hips all the way up to the ceiling until you try to get as much of a flat table as possible. Now you want to bend slightly in your elbows, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 more, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now I'm going to stretch out my arms. You can just pull those across you. And make sure you get your triceps. Leave that back behind your head. Very good. Remember not to overstretch. We're going to do this again, but double time. Remember your alignment. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Whew. All right, let's stretch those arms out again. Back behind the head. And let's stand up for some basic balances. So, stand up straight. Pull that knee thigh up to your chest and balance for 16 counts. Now, if you have some trouble with this, you can put your finger on your nose. And reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. And switch. Pull in that knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's flip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Make sure that core is engaged while you're doing that. Let's take a nice stretch down and just hang there. And straighten. Let's take one more. And clear. And straighten. Trying to get closer to your knees. Let's take a nice roll up. Check out our bodies. And open up to a nice big old second. Make sure your toes are facing a little bit out, not your full turn out, and have a nice T across your body. Let's take a lateral stretch all the way across, so reaching to the left and tilting all the way over to the right, trying to keep elongated through our spines. Let's pull it back. Nice little pretty arm. through into a flat back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe to come down, to lay on top of that leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's take that knee and bend it for 4 counts. And straighten. And bend. 2, 3, 4. And straighten. 7, 8. Very good. Let's reach. Swing. 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 Back all the way around. And back to your neutral. Very good. Reaching to the right. Swing over to your lateral pull. Stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6, 7. Reach. 1, 2, 3, and hold. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach and swing and swing and swing. Circle around and back to neutral. Very good. Now, since we're already here, let's take this squat down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this time you go down. Hold it. You can rest your elbows on your knees if you like. Test out how much you opened up your hips. I'm gonna press my left shoulder, then right shoulder. Once again, left shoulder, then right shoulder. Very good. I'm gonna adjust my posture, check my balance, and straighten up. Ooh, those hammies are tight. Let's bring it around town. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. This is a 15-minute warm-up for all you guys at home during this weird time. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.